Freyja came back with a friend. It's dead. You can see that it was a little bird and the head's dangling and it's already dead, so I can't help that bird now. And she's just a little cat, but she can do a lot of damage. I don't know why some people want to have like bobcats or big cats in their homes or as pets, because they do a lot of damage. I can tell that she's not very hungry right now, because if she was, she wouldn't be playing with it. The poor bird. If she were hungry, and actually cats in the wild just hunt, catch, and kill immediately. They don't play because they're hungry. But when a cat is not hungry, that's when they play with their food like that. Okay, she's done. Look. Gross. You wanna come in now?